Hello and welcome to our new video about non-sanctioned goods to export from Iran. Despite being under economic sanction for many years, Iran has still a variety of goods that are in high demand in international market and are not subject to sanctions. In this video, we will explore these products and how they can be exported from Iran. Sanction has weakened Iran's economy and currency to a level that any US dollar is now equal to 50,000 Iranian tomans, which is the currency of Iran. In other words, Iran is the paradise for a merchant looking for non-sanctioned goods to export from. One of the most popular categories of non-sanctioned goods to export from Iran is textile. From high-quality luxurious silk to wool fabrics, Iran has a rich history of producing textiles that are renowned for their quality and craftsmanship. These products can be exported to countries all over the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. Persian rug has always been a great ornament for middle to high-class people of any society. Iran is the sole producer and exporter of handmade Persian rugs, and exporting that to your desired destination has never been easier. According to Iran's custom law, any airway passenger is entitled to carry at most 20 square meters of Persian handmade carpet and of any quantity and sizes. Another popular category of goods to export from Iran is pistachios. Iran is one of the largest producers of pistachios in the world, and its export of this product is growing every year. These pistachios are of the highest quality and are in demand in the market all over the world. Pistachios are the symbol of Iran's nuts and dried food. But from almond and walnuts to dried fig and raisins, Iran has almost all sorts of nuts and all kinds of dried foods to produce in high quality, large amount, and desirable prices. So if you're looking to export some dried food or nuts at a very reasonable price, Iran is your number one choice. Iran is also known for its production of high-quality saffron. This spice is popular in both culinary and medicinal uses, and Iran is one of the world's largest producers of it. Exporting saffron from Iran can be quite profitable, but it is important to ensure that the product is of a high quality and meets international standards. Apart from saffron, this country is also famous for other precious herbs like licorice. We have had so many Korean and Chinese clients to come to Iran to buy herbs for medicinal and spice purposes. Therefore, if you have any Korean, Chinese, or Far East clients or friends who are in this kind of business, just ask them, and they have so many needs for these precious herbs. So you can be the middleman here, buy from Iran and sell it to them and make the marginal profit. When exporting goods from Iran, it is important to have a thorough understanding of the global trade regulations, and specifically regulations regarding sanctioned countries. So it is also crucial to have the proper documentation in order and to work with experienced freight forwarders to ensure that the products arrive at their destination on time and in good condition without any harm or financial damage to the buyer. So, choosing the right carrier and forwarder and insurance company is your most crucial part. I know in other places and other cases, this is a part just as important as other parts, but in Iran, this is the most important part because finding good quality products that are mentioned are not that hard because Iran is the sole producer of many of them, and Iran has no problem selling you a high quality product in those categories. But because Iran is sanctioned, you have to choose your forwarder, carrier, and insurance company that help you best overcome this kind of problem. I'm talking about people who are experienced and had such cargoes and have had these services before. Iran is also a very good source for exporting minerals, from buying the whole mine to the clinkers to the stones to the slimes. You should consider Iran as one of your best choices. Iran is a very good source for iron ore, copper, anode slime, aluminum ingots, gypsum, white cements, or any other kind of products for that matter. But this is a topic for another video. It takes too much time, and there are some technical measures to consider and to discuss. So I decided to talk about it in another video. I hope you found this guide to non-sanctioned goods to export from Iran helpful. With the right knowledge and resources, exporting goods from Iran can be very profitable and a good opportunity for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. In our channel, International Business Sense, we dedicate ourselves to giving you all the information you need, all the approaches, everything from what commodities to trade, from what kind of approach and how to get in contact with real traders, and then how to do payments and how to resolve legal disputes and things like this, and everything you need to have a very good successful trade, whether it's import or export, with Middle Eastern traders. So that's it for today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.